you are designing a poster, you'll want to show your clients how the final design will look, printed as a poster, of course. Give them a sneak peek on how it would look on their wall. Start showcasing your latest designs with Placeit's beautiful visual assets. Or photorealistic poster mockups work great for branding purposes, or even personal ones. What about adding poster mockups to your portfolio? Sounds good, right? Okay, just go to Placeit.net and type poster mockups in our search bar, or you can even go directly to our library by clicking here. Now, find a lot of different mockups. It's just a matter of selecting your favorite and start editing. Now, just click this button here to select your image from the library. Remember that with Placeit you can also create your poster, flyer, or more with a high quality resolution. Now, just crop it and that's all. If you wanted to, change the color of your poster. Now just click on the download button to get this mockup as a single download, or you can get the unlimited subscription, which means access to all the Placeit goodies. Oh yeah! Now go one step further and create a poster video mockup in seconds. You can start showcasing your latest designs with Placeit's beautiful visual assets. All you need to do is drag and drop your image design on the interface. We will process it in just seconds. That's right, that's all the work that you have to do. Is it Placeit great? What, you want to try it? Okay, go to the description box and you can find a free poster mockup PSD template. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy it!